Hi, second grade turtles. Welcome to reading. Today is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020. You just listened to a read aloud of The Pumpkin Book by Gail Gibbons. If you enjoyed this book, it's actually on Epic, so you can go find it later and reread it, find new information, look at the pictures. So, The Pumpkin Book. What do you think the genre of this book is? Do you think this book is fiction, meaning it's a made-up story? Or that it's nonfiction, it's real? What do you think? That's right. This book is a nonfiction book. It is filled with information about what? About pumpkins, just like what it says in the title. So another thing that we could call nonfiction books is an informational text. Do you see another word inside of informational? We have the word information. So that tells us that an informational text will be giving us information, things that we can learn. These are known as facts. We've used this word a lot, but let's explore more the difference between facts and opinions. So, fact and opinion. A fact can be proven. It is not how someone feels. So when we're looking for facts, we might notice dates in history. It might be scientific facts. There might be numbers. So, for example, a fact about one of my favorite people is Taylor Swift is 30 years old. This is a fact. It can be proven. I can't say that I disagree with this because it's just something that is true. Notice it had a number in it. All right. An opinion is how someone thinks, feels, or believes. It cannot be proven. So we can look for words that show feelings, descriptive words, and words that exaggerate, which means like to be like dramatic about something. So to say that something is the best or the worst ever in the whole world, that would be exaggerating. So an opinion example would be Taylor Swift is the best singer in the whole world. So saying she's the best singer in the whole world is exaggerating. I don't know all of the singers in the whole world. And also, this is an opinion because you might not agree with me. You might say, I disagree. I think Justin Bieber is the best singer in the whole world. But somebody might disagree with you. Or people could say, yeah, I think that too. But notice when we say, I think, or I feel, or I believe, that means what you're about to say is an opinion, and someone can disagree with you. Okay, so based on this, do you think that the Pumpkin Book is filled with facts or opinions? It is filled with facts. Things that tell us all about pumpkins that can be proven. So before this video, you hopefully followed the directions and drew this graphic organizer, like a fact and opinion graphic organizer, on a piece of paper or in your notebook. We are going to take information from the Pumpkin Book to fill in the fact side. And then you're going to put your own opinions about pumpkins on the other side. But to start, we need to put our topic. What are we going to be writing about? Pumpkins. We're going to tell facts and opinions about pumpkins. So I'm going to list a whole ton of pumpkin facts that we'll find from our text on this page, and you can choose your 3 favorite pumpkin facts to put on your graphic organizer. So let's look at this first page to find some facts. Pumpkins are members of the squash family. There are many different kinds of pumpkins. Small pumpkins, big pumpkins, round pumpkins, tall pumpkins. And from the picture, we can also see that pumpkins can be different colors. So one fact we read is that pumpkins are from the squash family. And also that they can be different colors and sizes. We also read that in the springtime, when the sun's rays begin to warm the soil, it's planting time. So what's a fact from that sentence? Pumpkins are planted in the spring. Pumpkins are planted in the spring. Now this page tells us about the pumpkin seed. And it says that that food is stored inside of the seed. That's one fact. It also says the seed has a seed coat on the outside to protect it. That's another fact. Also, the bigger the seed, the bigger the variety of pumpkin that will grow. There's a lot of facts on this page. Let's add some to our graphic organizer. So food is stored in the seed. The seed has a seed coat to protect it. The bigger the seed, the bigger the pumpkin. So are these all of the facts that were in the book? No, these are just 6 facts. There are so many facts filled in that book about pumpkins, about how they're grown, about what happens after they're grown, and about what you can do with it, how you can carve a jack-o'-lantern. So on your fact and opinion graphic organizer that you drew on paper, you can choose 3 facts about pumpkins from this book. You can put one of the facts that we just went over. I'll put a picture of it on Seesaw. Or you can look back at the book on Epic or the video on YouTube and find more facts. Then on the other side, you'll put your own opinion. Remember, your opinion is something that describes how you think or feel. So, for example, I think the inside of a pumpkin feels gross. That's my opinion. You might agree, you might disagree, but that's my opinion. So I would write 2 more things that I think or feel about pumpkins on the opinion side. And I'd write 3 facts, things that can be proven true, on the fact side. You're also welcome to turn your paper over right on the back and draw a picture to go with your facts and opinions. When you are finished, please turn in a picture on Seesaw. If you're still a little confused or you want some help, come to my office hours at 11:45. Thanks, 2nd grade.